Have you ever looked at the picture on the packet of instant noodles and wonder why when you cook it, it never looks like the picture? We buy them for convenience, but the packaging always promises that it looks like it came straight out of a restaurant kitchen. So I took a trip to 7-Eleven and picked up 3 popular instant noodles. Noodles. I wanna get noodles. I'm gonna cook each one and add some simple fresh ingredients and see if I can make these noodles look as good as the picture. And most importantly, we'll see which one tastes the best. At the end, I will rank all 3 from the least favorite to favorite. Now, here's the 3 noodles I have. Each one has different flavors, so I'm really curious to see which one will win today. Let's start with Noodles Ramen Stir Fry. It looks so rich and spicy. I really want my version to look as close as possible to this. Wish me luck. So we have here the noodles and 2 seasoning. And these are some of the fresh ingredients we're going to use today. For greens, we have spring onions and lettuce, tomato, egg, onions, and also mushrooms. Now, let's boil some water. And frequently stir the noodles while cooking for 3 minutes. I think one of the most important thing is cooking the noodles right. It should be shiny and bouncy. 3 minutes is done, so we will now place it on the plate. Now our noodles is ready. Let's add the seasoning. Mix, mix, mix. And now comes the important part, the presentation. So, based on the picture, we need some greens, mushrooms, and beef. But we only have 2 today. We will add some mushrooms and some scallions or spring onions. Ta-da! Our Shin Ramen Stir Fry. Now set aside, let's cook noodle number 2. Otoke Stir Fry Cheesy. Now let's see what's inside. Oh, it has a different texture of noodles. Okay, we have this cheese powder. Let's do this! Look at our noodle number 2. The shape is different and it's thicker than the first one. And this is our goal. Let's see if we can follow it by just using this cheese powder. This is how it looks like after putting the cheesy powder. We will just add a little bit of spring onion for more taste. Now, noodle number 3. Reyna Soy Garlic flavor. I'm actually excited about this noodle because look at the packet. It has a lot more ingredients in it. But we only have the thinnest noodle, 1 seasoning, and a little bit of oil. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Now we're adding everything together. The oil, the seasoning, mix, mix. That's enough. Now, we're gonna add our fresh ingredients. So, based on the picture, it has tomato, hot dogs or sausages, fried garlic at the center. We're adding the egg. And lastly, some greens. Now everything is done. What do you think? How does it compare to the picture on the packet? Finally, the most important part, the taste test. So first, we're gonna try the Shin Ramen Stir Fry. Now let's take a bite. Whew. It's really spicy. Like 9 out of 10 spicy. Some people might like this heat, but it's a little bit too much for me. Now, let's have the Otoke stir-fried cheesy. Actually, it's my first time to try a noodle with cheese and see if I will like it. It tastes like mac and cheese. Not bad, but it's not great as well. And the last one, Reyna soy garlic flavor. It first with sausage, hot dog, and a slice of fried garlic. Now let's try it with the egg. Lastly, some tomato. I like it. It has a really good balance of flavors going on. And now for our final rankings. For third place, I'm gonna choose the stir-fried cheesy. I would give it 5 out of 10. And for the second place, it's the spicy Shin Ramen Stir Fry. And you know why? I would give it 6 out of 10. And the winner today, in the first place, the soy garlic flavor. It's really good to mix with the sausage and egg. I would give it 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.